Careforbaby Diaper Pail Refill Bags, 960 counts, fully by Careforbaby is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. Careforbaby helps you take more care of your baby. What you can get. 1. Save more money. 2. Easy use brings in convenience and save time. 3. Odor control helps avoid tolerating the unbearable smell. 4. Perfectly compatible with most popular diaper pails. 5. 100% risk-free satisfaction guarantee. Package including 32 refill bags. Note: pail not including favorable profits, holds 960 diapers, up to 32 per bag, and cost less than a cent for each diaper. Easy using, one-handed use. Just snap, seal and toss, no cutting or tying knots in the bags, and double lace on the side and make sure it does not rip. High compatible, fully compatible with Arm & Hammer diaper pail. Friendly material, imported materials of highly flexible pay, thicken layer and double seam protection. Better in odor control. Package, including 32 disposable refill bags that shut tight with a snap.